Choosing the right bait casting reel can be challenging. Backlash issues, poor casting distance, weak drag systems, and heavy designs often ruin your fishing experience. That's where modern bait casting reels stand out. They offer better control, smoother casting, stronger drag, and lightweight performance. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best bait casting fishing reels, perfect for beginners and pros alike. We researched specs and real user feedback to create this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews. Number 5. PURELURE ZANA Bait Casting Reel. The PURELURE ZANA is an ultra-lightweight bait casting reel weighing just 139 grams, built with a durable aluminum alloy frame for strength and stability. It can cast lures as light as 3.5 grams, making it ideal for finesse fishing. The 7.6:1 gear ratio ensures fast retrieves, while the 4 kg drag system provides reliable power for small to medium fish. With a precision spool in smooth performance, it works well in both freshwater and saltwater conditions. This reel is perfect for anglers who want lightweight control without sacrificing durability. Number 4. Sougayilang CDS 400 Bait Casting Reel. The Sougayilang CDS 400 stands out with its powerful 16 kg max drag, making it perfect for handling larger and stronger fish. It features a 6.5:1 gear ratio for balance, speed, and control, along with a 9+1 ball bearing system for ultra-smooth operation. The carbon fiber body keeps it lightweight while maintaining durability during long fishing sessions. Its single power handle provides better grip and torque, making reeling effortless. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or saltwater, this reel delivers consistent and reliable performance. Number 3. SOLOKING ASHMOON Bait Casting Reel. The SOLOKING ASHMOON is a versatile bait casting reel designed for both BFS and all-purpose fishing. It comes with a 12+1 ball bearing system that ensures incredibly smooth casting and retrieval. The strong alloy construction offers durability, while the 6 kg drag power provides enough strength for medium-sized catches. Its long handle design improves leverage and control, making it easier to fight fish. Suitable for freshwater and even light sea fishing, this reel is a great choice for anglers who want flexibility and smooth performance in one compact design. Number 2. Haibo 2020 Overload Bait Casting Reel. The Haibo 2020 Overload is built for serious anglers who need long casting performance and versatility. It offers multiple gear ratios, ranging from 5.4:1 to 7.1:1, allowing you to adjust based on your fishing style. With 8 ball bearings plus a roller bearing, it delivers smooth and consistent operation. This reel is designed for both freshwater and saltwater use, making it highly adaptable. Its strong build and long casting capability make it ideal for targeting species like snakehead, giving you both power and precision in every cast. Number 1. Leydun Usopp Bait Casting Reel. The Leydun Usopp Bait Casting Reel takes the top spot with its ultralight 125-gram design and impressive performance. It features a fast 7.6:1 gear ratio for quick retrieves and efficient lure control. Despite its lightweight build, it offers a solid 4.5 kg drag system, making it reliable for various fishing situations. The compact and ergonomic design ensures comfort during long sessions, while its smooth casting system reduces backlash issues. Perfect for beginners and experienced anglers alike, this reel delivers excellent balance between weight, speed, and control. If you want smooth casting, strong drag, and better control, bait casting reels are a great choice. These 5 models offer excellent performance, durability, and value for different fishing styles. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's a perfect option here for you. Which one would you choose? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.